Okay. Uh, so my screen is visible. 1 second. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh, In yesterday's class, we have seen about this stop and wait protocol. So, and once again, I repeat, so these protocols are running at link level. Okay. So these are the functions of data link layer, right? So whenever we mean sender, what do you mean by sender and receiver? So sender and receiver are the two nodes that are connected by a link. Okay. So they are connected by a link. So sender, what I mean to say is sender means it is not the source. Okay, it is not the source. Okay, receiver means it is not the destination. Okay. Now you just see here the stop and wait protocol. What it does is, see now it sends frame 0, right? So for having received frame 0, it sends frame 1. Okay, after sending, sorry, it sends frame 0. For having received frame 0, it sends acknowledgement for frame 0. Now it is waiting for frame 1. So it sends frame 1, then it sends acknowledgement for frame 1 like this. So it continues. So the problem associated with this is after sending, see, just see here, after sending frame 0, it is waiting for this much period. So once the acknowledgement is received, only then it sends frame 1. So for this entire period, okay, starting from this time to this time, so for this entire, because this is time, okay, so for this entire duration, the sender is sitting idle and the very precious bandwidth it is being wasted. Is it not? Okay, so to overcome this, so just to give you the picture about this. See now, if you consider 1.5 megabits of link, okay. So if RTT, okay. So what is RTT here? This time is RTT, okay. So the time at which frame 0 is sent and the time at which acknowledgement is received. So this time it is RTT, okay. In this RTT, so 40, assuming that 45 milliseconds of RTT, so 45 milliseconds of RTT, okay, sorry, 45, sorry, 1.5 megabits per second of bandwidth, it is wasted for 45 milliseconds, right? So that means, so in this entire period, you have sent only one frame, okay? So you could have sent 8 frames, but you have sent only one frame. So that leads to the wastage of bandwidth, okay? So, okay, so that is why we move to sliding window protocol. So we move to from stop and wait protocol, we move to sliding window protocol. Okay, as you see here, after sending one frame, the sender what it does, so instead of waiting for the acknowledgement, he keeps on sending second frame, third frame, fourth frame like that. Okay, so then the acknowledgement comes. Okay, he just keeps on sending. Okay, so these frames frame, frame 0, frame 1, frame 2, frame 3 up to this. Okay, these frames have been sent without waiting for the acknowledgement. For these frames, acknowledgement is pending. Yes or no? Are you getting me? Okay, for these frames that are sent by the sender, so the acknowledgement is pending. Okay, so what these frames called as?
Outstanding frames.
Good. So they are called as outstanding frames. Okay. So now what happens? You just see. So now this frame it is sent. So many frames have been sent. Okay. Now what happens? After sending this frame, the acknowledgement for the first frame comes. Okay. Now what happens? Just see here. Now the acknowledgement for this frame is received now. Now what happens? So what happens to the outstanding frames now? Just tell me. What happens to the outstanding frames? See, from this point to this point, the number of outstanding frames, it may be, let us say, 8. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the outstanding frames. Now here at this point, the acknowledgement for the first frame, frame 0 has come. Now what happens to the number of outstanding frames now? Yes, anybody? Yes, I'm waiting for your answer. what happens to the outstanding frames? Nobody's answering. Why? See, here, am I audible to you? Hello, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Because you are not responding. Okay. See now what happens here after sending these many frames. Okay, so these are the outstanding frames. So starting from this frame to this frame, these are the outstanding frames because their acknowledgement is pending, right? Now, as I said, see here the acknowledgement for the first frame comes. Okay, this frame. Okay, so now what happens? Now the outstanding frame, this is no longer outstanding frame because it is acknowledgement is received. So the acknowledgement, the now what happens after receiving this, it sends the next frame. It sends the next frame. Now what happens? The outstanding frames, it starts from this second frame up to the next frame. So that means that window, it shifts by one frame. Is it clear? Yes or no? Because for the first frame that is sent, we have received the acknowledgement, and then after receiving the acknowledgement, we have sent one frame. Okay, we have sent one frame. So then what happens? This window of outstanding frames, it shifts by one. It slides by one. Is that clear? Is it clear? It slides by one place. Are you getting my point? Yes, tell me yes, or if you are not followed, tell me no. Hmm? If you just keep quiet, what should I understand? If you have followed, you tell me you have followed. If you are not following, you please tell me we are not followed. I will repeat it. Tell me.
Followed, sir.
Followed? Everybody? Everybody, did you follow it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm,
Yeah.
okay. Now you just see here. So this one, okay, now every frame that is sent, okay, these frames they are given sequence numbers, okay, sequence number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 7, okay, assuming that. So we have 3 bits reserved for sequence number. So if 3 bits are reserved for sequence number, so then how many sequence numbers we can give? 2 raised to 3, that is 0 to 7 sequence numbers can be given, okay. So that is what is sequence number here, sequence number for each frame, okay. So assuming that it grows infinitely large, so he has given, okay, it is just an assumption. Okay, now, so these things are very important. Sender maintains three variables. So sending window size. What is sending window size? The sending window size, it is nothing but the number of outstanding frames. Okay, number of outstanding or unacknowledged frames. So the number of frames which the sender can send without waiting for the acknowledgement. Okay, so that is what is called as sending window size, SWS, sending window size. Then another variable is last acknowledgement received. Last acknowledgement received. Okay, so for whichever frame it has received the acknowledgement last. Okay, lastly. Okay, now what happens? Assume that I have received acknowledgement for frame number 10. Okay, that means starting from frame number 11, my what starts? Sending window starts. Yes or no? Okay, I have received acknowledgement for frame 10. Okay, now that means what? For which frames acknowledgement is pending? Starting from frame number 11, acknowledgement is pending. Up to what? Up to the sending window size. Up to the sending window size. Okay, so then last frame sent. Last frame sent is what? What do you mean by last frame sent? Now, as I said, up to see, I have received acknowledgement for frame 10. Then what happens? Starting from frame number 11, the acknowledgements are pending. So, how many acknowledgements are pending? How many the number of acknowledgements pending? Where can I get it? The number of frames for which the acknowledgement is pending, where that information is available. Sending window size. Okay, so that means so now last acknowledgement received, as I said, it is 10. That means starting from frame number 11 up to sending window size. So for those many frames, acknowledgement is pending. Okay, so the last sequence number in the sending window size, that is the last frame sent. That is the last frame sent. So you will see that. You just see here. So this now, as I said, this is what LAR, that means last acknowledgement received. Last acknowledgement received. So, suppose I have received acknowledgement for frame in sequence number 10, then what happens? Starting from frame 11. So, whatever is the sending window size up to, okay. So, the last frame in the sending window size is nothing but last frame sent. Last frame sent. Okay, that means I have received acknowledgement for 10. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So these many frames I have sent. That means 7 frames I have sent. My sending window size is 7. My sending window size is 7. Is it clear? So what happens? Now you just see here LFS. LFS means what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So LFS is 17. Okay. LAR is what? LAR is 10. So 10, sorry, 17 minus 10. So 17 minus 10, it is less than or equal to SWS, sending window size. Is it not? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you are clear about it, please tell me. Otherwise, what happens? It is difficult further understanding. Okay. Further understanding will be difficult. Okay. So now you just see here. What is this? So last frame that is sent. Latest frame that is sent. Okay. So now for all these frames, now sender has kept on sending these many frames. Now he has sent this frame. That means what happens? His sending window, it gets filled. He cannot send any more frames. He cannot send any more frames. Now he is waiting for the acknowledgement. Okay. Now you just see here. Okay. Now here he has up to the number of frames so that he is allowed to send. Okay, the number of frames the sender is allowed to send, that information is available in sending window size, right? So he kept on sending 7 frames. After sending the seventh frame, he cannot send the next frame because he is waiting for the acknowledgement. Now what happens? The acknowledgement for this, okay, 11th frame has come now. Now what happens to this window? Now the acknowledgement, see, please remember this. This is 10. Assume that this is 10. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17. Okay, now the acknowledgement for the 11th frame has come now. What happens to SWS? What happens to SWS? Yes, tell me.
It will shift, sir.
It will shift. Where it shifts? Hmm. It will slide. It will slide where? It is very easy. It shifts because now what happens? The acknowledgement. See, acknowledgement for 11, as I said, it has come. That means this becomes LAR now. Last acknowledgement received. It is this one now. Now what happens? This window, it shifts by 1. Okay. So that means starting from 12 to 18 it is. So 12 to 18. So it shifts by 1 frame. Okay. So this window, it comes here. This SWS, it starts from here, and it is up to this one window. Okay, is it not? So it slides by one place. That is why it is called as sliding window protocol. Okay. So the same thing is given when an acknowledgement arrives. When an acknowledgement arrives, the sender moves LAR to right. Yes or no? when an acknowledgement arrives, LAR is moved by one place to the right. LAR is moved to the right. So thereby allowing the sender to transmit another frame because so now it shifts since it shifts by one, that means automatically so this also shifts by one. So that means the sender is allowed to send one more frame. So sender can transmit another frame. Also, the sender associates a timer with each frame. Okay, with every after sending every frame, he starts a timer. Okay, now you just see here. Okay, just see here. Now frame 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So these frames have been sent. Okay, these frames have been sent. Now only let us say 12, 11, 12, 13. Frame number 13. Okay, frame number 13 has not reached the destination. Has not reached the destination. Now what happens? You tell me. All other frames have reached. Okay. See, 11 has reached, 12 has reached, 13 has not reached, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, all these frames have reached the receiver. Okay, they are received there. Now what happens now? Yes, what happens? Kirti, whether you have followed
Yes, sir.
this, whether you have followed this, so
Yes,
starting
sir.
from 11, I have sent frame number 11, I have sent frame number 12, I have sent frame number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, all these frames have been sent at the receiver. So 11, 12, then 14, 15, 16, 17. So these frames have been received. But like unlucky for unfortunately, frame number 13 has not reached the destination, has not reached the receiver, has not reached the receiver. Okay. Now what the receiver does? The receiver is waiting for the acknowledgement. Okay, sorry, receiver is waiting because he cannot forward it to the its upper layer because everything has to be transmitted in sequence. Okay, that means and it is waiting for frame number 6. Sorry, frame number 13. Frame number 13. He is waiting. Okay, now what happens? Now what happens? The receiver need not do anything. The sender is waiting. Sender after sending frame number 13, right? So sender has started a timer. Sender has started a timer. So once that frame number 13 times out, then automatically the sender will send the retransmit this frame number 13 again. Yes or no?
Yes,
Correct,
sir.
no? Okay,
Yes,
frame
sir.
number 13 is retransmitted by the sender, and once the frame number 13 reaches the receiver, then what happens? So, this receiver will acknowledge for frame number 17. Why? Because up to frame number 17, every frame has been received correctly. It need not send acknowledgement for every frame. Okay. So frame number 11, frame number 12, frame number 13, frame number 14, for every frame it did not send the acknowledgement. If it sends the acknowledgement for the highest numbered frame, which is the highest numbered frame here, 17. Okay. Because if it's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Okay. So if it sends the acknowledgement for frame 17, that means what the sender understands up to frame number 17, every frame has been received correctly. Is it clear? Is it clear? I need the
Yes, sir.
the receiver
Yes.
need not send acknowledgement for every frame. Okay, every frame. Okay, and one more thing you remember, what happens? See, this actually comes here. Note that, okay, so also the sender associates a timer. It retransmits the frame if the timer expires before the acknowledgement is received. Okay, so frame number 13, as I said, frame number 13 is not received by the receiver. So that is why it is not going to send any acknowledgement. It is not going to send any acknowledgement. So now the sender, what happens? Sender times out. Sender times out. So what happens? So it retransmits the same frame once again. Frame number 13, it is transmitted once again. Okay. So now what happens? So once it receives the acknowledge this one frame number 13, all frames have been received in sequence. So then it acknowledges for frame number 17. Okay. Now note that the sender has to be willing to buffer up SWS frames. Okay, because from the sender, okay, what is the size of the sending window? It is SWS. Okay, so that means how many frames the sender has sent without waiting for the acknowledgement? In this case,
7.
7. Okay, in this example, 7 frames have been sent by the sender without waiting for the acknowledgement. Okay, now the receiver should also be able to store them in its buffer. Yes or no? Receiver, so it should be able to buffer these. It should be able to buffer these frames because ultimately it should receive them in sequence. Okay, now let us say frame number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So these frames have been sent sequentially, one after the other. Okay, so now what happens? So is it that in the same sequence they reach the receiver? No, they may not, because as I said, if frame number 13 gets lost, then 14 will reach the destination, 15 will reach the destination. Okay, that means they may reach the destination out of order. They may reach the receiver out of order, but the receiver should be able to buffer them. Okay, so how many frames it has to buffer? How many frames the receiver has to buffer? So whatever the number of frames that are there in sending window size. Yes or no? So 7 frames have been sent by the sender. So these 7 frames must be buffered by the receiver out of order. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. So that is why so the window that is maintained by the receiver, it is RWS, receiving window size. So receiving window size. So now please try to understand this. Receiving window size, what actually it contains? Receiving window size, what should it contain? Please think. Receiving window size should be, for this example, for especially the example that we are looking at, for this example, the receiving window size should be open on what?
For receiving frames, sir.
No, I am asking the number. Receiving window size should be open on 11 to 17, is it not? So that means, so 11 to 17 up to, one second. Go in the head. Huh? ಹೌದು ನಡೆದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆ ನನಗೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಏನ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ 302 ಮಾಡಲ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, 30, ಹೌದು 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 ಹೌದು, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಹಾ 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 ಮಾಡ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಳಿಕ್ಕೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮೊದ್ಲ 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ತಗೋತಿದ್ರು, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಸುಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗ. ಎಸ್, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what I was telling, so receiving window size. Okay, receiving window size. Now you just see sender has sent frames starting from 11 to 17. Right? Now, these frames can reach the destination in any order. Okay, or the receiver in any order. That means any frame, that is, if the receiver has to receive these frames, that means the receiver's window also should be open on 11 to 17, is it not? So in case sender's window size is equal to receiver's window size, right? So what is the sender's window size? What is the size of the sender's window in this example? 11 to 17 means 7. Okay. So receiver's window, what? It should be less than or equal to 7. It should be less than or equal to 7. At the maximum, the receiver's window size can be equal to sender's window size, or even it can be less than that. That is okay. That's also okay. Okay. So, so the upper bound, that is why he says the upper bound for the number of out of order frames that the receiver will accept. Okay. Out of order. Because I have sent 11. So 11 may reach the receiver or not, okay, but before 11, 12 may reach, okay. So out of order, the receiver should be able to accept. Out of order, the receiver should be able to accept because it can buffer it, okay. So that's what it is. Now, just as we have in case of sending window, so we have these variables in receiver's window. So largest acceptable frame, okay, largest acceptable frame, it is right, okay. So what is the maximum number, maximum sequence number of the frame which the receiver is allowed to accept, okay. Now assuming that sending window is equal to receiving window, then what is receiving window now? What is the range of receiving window in this example? If sending window is equal to receiving window. So what is the range of receiving window now?
7, sir.
Range in the sense 11 to 17.
11 to 7.
11 to 17. Okay, that means, so what is LAF now? Largest acceptable frame. What is LAF? Largest acceptable frame. In this example, assuming that receiving window is 11 to 17. What is the largest acceptable frame? So that is 17. Is it not? Sequence number of the largest acceptable frame. So that is 17. Okay. Then last frame received. Last frame received. See, here you have to understand. See, last frame received in the sense the frame for which acknowledgement is sent. The frame for which acknowledgement is sent. So what is this in this example? The last frame received, and also the acknowledgement is sent. What is that frame number in this example that we are looking at?
Frame 17.
See, the largest acceptable frame is 17 ಆಯ್ತು. The largest acceptable frame is 17. So last frame received for which acknowledgement is already sent. What is that? It is frame 10. Is it not? So frame 10 is received and it is acknowledgement is sent. So that is why its window is open from 11 to 17. Because up to 10 it has received the frames and it has also sent the acknowledgement. So now the window of the receiver, it is open from 11 to 17. Okay. Receiver window is open on 11 to 17. The any frame that comes, if it is in the range from 11 to 17, the receiver is going to accept them out of order also. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? See this. Okay. So the same thing you just see here. So assume that this is frame 10. Okay. So for this frame 10, acknowledgement is already sent. Okay. That is why it is last frame received. Last frame received. It is frame 10. So starting from 11 up to 17, it is open. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is open. Okay. Sorry. So it is open from 11 to, is it clear? So that is why the receiver's window size should be in this range. Again, same thing. Last, what is this? LAF means what? Largest. What is this? LAF means what? Acceptable frame.
Frame.
Largest acceptable frame. What is that? 17. Largest acceptable frame is 17. LFR is 10. Last frame that is received successfully and for which the acknowledgement is already sent. Okay, so LAF minus LFR, so that is 17. So my receiving window size should be less than or equal to 7. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, any doubts? Any doubts? See, it is not that sending window size should be equal to receiving window size. It is not necessary. But one thing is, so receiving window size can be less than or equal to sending window size. There is no point in having receiving window size more than sending window size. Why? Hmm? Is it clear? You tell me, if you ask your doubts, then only I can answer. Otherwise, it is very difficult to presume your doubt and answer. Amarnath, are you there? Amarnath, hello?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. See, is it clear whatever I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Is it clear? Everything? Sadika,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Kirti,
Yes, sir.
Kirti,
Yes, sir.
clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Asma,
Yes, sir.
Aziza, Aziza. Hello, Aziza, are you there? Nikita, 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 are you there? Sanjeevani, Sanjeevani, are you there? See, three people. Okay, they are not there. So they are just logged in. Aziza, Nikita,
Yes,
Sanjeevani.
sir.
Who is this?
Aziza, sir.
Aziza. So
Sanjeevani.
where were you? Hmm? Where were you, Aziza?
I
Last time I
couldn't hear
called.
you, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I couldn't hear you.
Why? How
Internet
come?
issue, sir.
Internet issue. Okay, right. So what? See, what is the question I asked you?
Sir, I didn't hear.
You didn't hear. Okay. Now the thing is, so there is no point in, I said, there is no point in having receiving window more than sending window. Right? Receiving window more than sending window. Why? Hmm? Amarnath? It is very simple, man. It is general approach. Now, suppose, assume that somebody is delivering you around 10 items. What you will do? So, you make provision for keeping 10 items. Okay, you make how to keep the 10 items in your house. So, you make provision for that. So, when you know that he will not send, he will send only 10 items. So, is it necessary for you to make a provision for 20 items? No, there is no point, no, because even though you make a provision for keeping 20 items, the sender is going to send only 10 items. So at the max, you can make provision for 10 items. That is enough. The same thing here. Okay. So though the receiver's window, suppose it is 20. If the sender's window is 10, that means sender's window, so sender is going to send only 10 frames. So though the receiver has made provision for 20 frames, is it not? So that is why, so there is no point in having receiver's window more than sender's window. Okay. See, when a frame with sequence number is okay arrives, what does the receiver do? So the receiver, the sequence number, if it is, just see here, LFR, okay, any sequence number. See, whenever a frame comes at the receiver, so it checks into the sequence number. Okay, if the sequence number is less than or equal to this LFR, or if the sequence number is greater than LAR, then what happens? It falls outside the window. Yes or no? If the sequence number of the incoming frame, if it is less than or equal to LFR, or if it is greater than LAF, so that means that particular frame is outside the window, receiving window. So it has to be rejected. Yes or no? Okay. See, if sequence number is less than or equal to LFR or sequence number greater than LAF, discard it because the frame is outside the receiving window. Okay. So if the sequence number of the incoming frame, if it is less than LAF, say less than LFR, sorry, if it is greater than LFR and less than or equal to LAF, you just see here. Okay. If it is greater than LFR, so less than or equal to LAF, that means the the incoming frame, it falls in this window. Okay, then accept it. Accept it. Now the receiver needs to decide whether or not to send acknowledgement. Why? Why it is so? Now the receiver need to decide whether or not to send the acknowledgement. What do you mean by that? If you have followed whatever I said, so you can answer this. Okay. Suppose a frame comes with some sequence number. What the receiver will do? Okay, whether it falls in the window or not, it checks. Okay. So, okay, if the sequence number, if it is greater than LFR and less than or equal to LAF, the sequence number falls within the receiving window, it accepts it. Then whether the acknowledgement is to be sent, so that is decided. So whether or not the acknowledgement is to be sent, so that the receiver needs to decide why it is so. Why it is so? Hmm? Why it is so? Why it will not send the acknowledgement immediately? Why it is given that the receiver has to decide whether to send the acknowledgement or not? What actually mean by this? Why the receiver is not sending the acknowledgement immediately? Just now we discussed, no? See here, I will just repeat. See now what happens. So frame 11 to frame 17. Okay, the receiver is allowed to receive any frame with sequence number greater than or equal to 11. Okay, less than or equal to this 17. It receives it. Okay. So now suppose, okay, if it receives, let us say frame number 14. Frame number 14 is received. Now, whether it sends acknowledgement for that, just tell me. Frame number 14. So it has received frame number 16, 17. So when all the frames have been received, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So all the frames have been received. So then only it sends acknowledgement for this 17. As I said, it sends acknowledgement for the higher numbered frame. Okay. So that means it sends once all the frames have been received successfully, right? So then it sends one acknowledgement for sequence number 17. That means up to 17, all the frames have been received. So that is why it says it is decide. Now the receiver needs to decide whether or not to send the acknowledgement. Is it clear? Yes. So you try to visualize it. Is it clear? Yes. Are you getting my point? Whatever I am
Sir.
telling, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, just see. So this is what I was telling you, sequence number to acknowledgement. So see, this is what I was telling you. I said acknowledgement is sent for frame sequence number 17. So denote the largest sequence number not yet acknowledged. Is it not? So largest sequence number not yet acknowledged is 17 in our example, such that all frames with sequence numbers less than or equal to sequence number to acknowledgement have been received. Yes or no? Is that clear? Okay. So sequence number SEQ NUM to ACK. So that is in our example it is 17. So because that is the largest sequence number not yet acknowledged. So 11 to 17 all these frames have been received. Okay. Among them which is the largest sequence number that is not acknowledged, it is 17. So once you send acknowledgement for 17, it means that all frames with sequence numbers less than or equal to 17 have been received. Is that clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the receiver acknowledges the receipt of sequence number. This is 17. The receiver acknowledges the receipt of 17 even if higher numbered packets have been received. Of course, there is no question in this case. There is no question in this case. Okay. So in between also he can acknowledge. See, suppose here, so in between, though it is 17. Now suppose 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13 have been received successfully. Okay, but 14 is not received. 14 is not received. So what happens now? So he may send acknowledgement for 13. That means up to 13, all the frames have been received successfully. All the frames have been received successfully. Is it no? So for 17, since it is not received, he is not going to send the acknowledgement. Okay. So even if higher numbered frames have been received, because in between. So there is one frame missing. That is why he is not going to consider these higher numbered frames. Okay. So this acknowledgement is called as cumulative acknowledgement. Okay. Suppose if I send acknowledgement for 17, that means up to 17, all the frames have been received successfully. So such an acknowledgement is called as cumulative acknowledgement. It is called as cumulative acknowledgement. Okay. So the receiver then sets, see, please try to understand this. LFR is equal to sequence number to acknowledgement and adjust LAF equal to LFR plus RWS. See, try to understand this. Now, so these frames 11, 12, so okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So these frames have already been received by receiver correctly. Now, receiver will acknowledge for this 17. Okay. Now, what happens to LFR? What happens to LAF? What is the new value for LFR and what is the new value for LAF? You tell me. Yes.
LFR is 11, sir. LAF is 18.
LFR is 11. Egon, it is 10.
Te-
So from 10 it
10.
becomes 11. See, I said, so try to understand my question. See, so 11, frame 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 have been received successfully. The receiver will acknowledge for, so this frame is received successfully up to 17. So it will acknowledge that for 17. That means up to 17, every frame is received successfully. Then what is the new value for LFR? See, in this case, what is this? LFR is equal to sequence number to acknowledgement. What is sequence number to acknowledgement? Now only I said, no? What is that? See, what is this? What is sequence number to acknowledgement? It denotes the largest sequence number not yet acknowledged. What is in our example, what is it? 17, did I not tell you? So 17. Okay. So once you send acknowledgement for 17, that means all the frames have been received successfully. So then what happens? LFR will become 17. See, this LFR. So now what happens? This entire window has been received successfully because you have acknowledged for 17. Now what happens? So this LFR comes here because up to 17, all the frames have been received successfully. Then our receiving window will start from here, will start from this point because up to here, all the frames have been received successfully. So this LAF will become LFR now. So last frame received. So it is 17. Up to 17, every frame has been received. So our receiving window starts from 18. So 18 to up to 7. 18 by 7 places. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 18 to 24 it will be open. Okay. So this receiving window will be open from 18 to 24. I hope it is clear. So LAF will be 24 now. Is it clear? You should try to see now. That is why LAF will be equal to LFR plus RWS. So LFR is 17. So 17 plus 7, 24. Is it clear? Hmm? Is it clear? Hmm? Amarnath. ತಿಳಿತೇನೋ ಅಮರನಾಥ?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? No doubts in this? No, it is not a big thing.
No, sir.
But it confuses you a bit. I agree. Right? It confuses you a bit. But once you follow it, once you understand it, there is nothing in it. Right? So now the session is getting closed. So I just see one example he has given because now there is no time to discuss this. If I start discussing it and suddenly abruptly the session closes, right? So I will discuss it in the next class. So please go through this, right? It is very, very easy. Okay, it is very, very easy. So whether I have sent these, I have shared these PPTs with you? I have not shared, no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
I will share these PPTs. Okay, so whether you have whether you have soft copy of this book, it is available on the net, right? So Larry Peterson, Computer Networks by Larry Peterson. So soft copy is available, right? So please go through that. So don't simply uh, listen to my this one lecture, okay? And so you should also keep on working. Only then you can understand, right? So I will share these slides with you, right? So go through them.